because it's so important for us to give a voice to those that don't have a voice.
Karen Jackson wrote an op-ed about paid domestic violence leave, and she keeps it as a reminder as to why unions, like the one she works for, become involved in social issues. Jackson has been lobbying for this legislation since 2015, and now that it's going to be implemented, she says she's relieved.
I know of somebody that was in a domestic violence situation who did not have the financial means to leave, and if she had have had this, it would have been a great relief to her and her family and given her more security in leaving the situation.
Employees will get up to 3 days of paid leave and up to 7 days of unpaid leave. The leave is for non-unionized employees needing time off work for issues related to domestic violence, intimate partner violence, or sexual violence. There is an eligibility requirement. Employees have to work for a minimum of 3 months at their current employer. If eligible, employers need to pay for the leave and can't deny this request.
It can be used for purposes like if they need to move, if they're in an emergency situation and need to move residents quickly, if they need to seek medical services or legal services.
The leave isn't just for those experiencing the violence firsthand. If someone is in the employee's care, say a child, they can take that leave to support that person. Advocates say there will still be challenges for those facing violence, but this will make things a bit easier.
Society especially likes to tell people, just leave, leave. If you're abused, leave. Well, okay, but it's complicated and difficult and dangerous. So society needs to give people the space to complete that practice.
The province is now distributing information about this option to victim service providers. Isabella Zavarisi, CBC News, Charlottetown.